If you're working in After Effects, whether it be with a video or image that has transparency, but you can't see where that transparency begins or ends, you're just seeing a solid color background, you may have switched off your transparency grid by accident. So if you go to your composition menu right here and you look, there's some buttons. This button here that looks like a transparency grid is one. So if you click it back on, it will show you where your transparency is and you can just continue working like that. If you turn it off, it will just show a solid color background. And to see how your background's set up, you can quickly hit Control K and you'll see your background color under your composition settings. So that is just a handy thing to know. This can be frustrating if you didn't realize you turned it off. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in After Effects for more, and thank you for watching.